Alright, number 2, we want to mentally determine which of these can be represented as a terminating decimal. Okay, so the way you determine if it can be a terminating decimal is if you look at the reduced fraction and you focus on the denominator, and the denominator must only consist of prime numbers 2 and 5. Those are the only two numbers. So if in the denominator, reduced to lowest form, you only have 2's and 5's, then it can be expressed as a terminating decimal. So A is 1/5, that's lowest terms. Yes, it can be expressed as a terminating decimal. Okay, B, 19 is prime, so we're going to look at 19 over 40, and we're going to break 40 down into primes. So 2 and 20, 2 and 10, and then 10 can be broken down to 2 and 5. Okay, so only 2's and 5's. That means we can express this as a terminating decimal. Alright, C, we have 5 over 10. This reduces to 1/2, and we only have 2 in the bottom, so it has to be 2 and 5 only, or 2's or 5's only. So this only has 2's or 5's, only has 2, so that can be expressed as prime. D, we have 2 to the 5th power, so we have 5 2's. There's only 2 in the denominator, so yes, this also can be represented as a terminating decimal. E has 9 over 57. 9 over 57. Both these numbers are divisible by 3, so we'll divide by 3, and this will become 3 over 19. Okay, 19 is prime, so we can't break it down any further. This denominator does not have 2 or 5. So since it has something other than 2 or 5 in the denominator, this one will not be expressed as a terminating decimal. And then we have 247 over 625. Alright, so we're going to this might be divisible. Let's see, 8, 13. Okay, so we're just going to focus on the denominator. I don't think we can reduce this, but if we do 625, we can do 25 for sure, and 24, 25, 25 times 25, 5 and 5, 5 and 5. So that's 5 to the 4th. So the denominator only has 5's in it, so that meets the criteria of 5 or 2. So F also can be expressed as a terminating decimal.